Alright, this is the final project for SE-456, Space Invaders. Let's see. So I only implemented one player. So I'll display that. So obviously the boxes can be toggled on and off. You'll see that there's different point values for different aliens. I don't think it's actually capturing the sound, but there's sound, and you can see the missile can delete the bomb, which just happened there. There's explosion effects, and missiles and bombs can't go through the shields. Let's see what else. The aliens do speed up, as you'll see here once more are deleted. Let's see. Let's see what else. Right, so the audio and the obviously animation speeds up as the number of aliens decrease. As you can see, the bombs are spawning from the bottom of the column that it's coming out of. And so it's every time a new bomb spawns, it's a random column. Alright, and then the next level starts a little bit further down the screen than the first level did. And also, so you can see down in the left-hand corner, that's where the number of lives is displayed. Like currently it starts with 0 for whatever reason, but then once you die once, then it'll update and show 2. Let's see, I'll just try to get through 2 levels here, and then I'll die a few times to restart the game. So yeah, so I guess I didn't mention, but like as an alien's deleted, there's an explosion sprite that's basically put in place where the alien was, and that's deleted after like a half second. And then also when a bomb hits the ship, there's also an animation explosion. You'll see that as soon as I clear out the rest of these guys. Alright, so as you can see, it's even further down the screen. Let's see, I guess I'll die now. And see, there's the ship explosion, and see the lives updated, so now there's 2 left. And 1. And then finally 0. And so game over is populated at the top there. The high score, if you beat it previously, gets populated there. And it doesn't, for whatever reason, doesn't stay on the select screen. But obviously go right back into it. And so the high score is populated on this screen, as you can see. I'm trying to think what else was implemented. So each level, the alien grid and the shield grid are repopulated. And I guess I'll show you that the ship can't go past the wall here. And same on the other side. Like that. I think I'll die again and show that the high score isn't updated this time, because obviously the current score is not higher than the high score. Yeah, see, the high score stayed the same. As you can see again, the missile deletes the bomb. I think that's pretty much it for the demo here. I guess I'll wrap it up. Thanks for watching.